Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. If you encounter the YouTube error 153 or video player configuration error, usually means your device can't load the video playback system properly. This can happen on Android phones, TVs, or any device running the YouTube app, often due to network issues, slow internet, VPNs, proxies, or restricted Wi-Fi blocking essential configuration files. To fix it, start by checking your internet connection and switching networks if possible. On apps, clear the YouTube cache via your device settings to remove any corrupted files, and consider updating the app to the latest version. If the error persists, try restarting the app, refreshing the page, or even reinstalling YouTube entirely. Ensuring a stable network, a clean installation, and up-to-date software usually resolves error 153 so you can get back to smooth and uninterrupted video playback in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.